Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about how to set up your Forex trend indicators by individual currency. We have three chart setups. We have the basic chart setup, and this is our intermediate trend indicators by individual currency. And we also have a more advanced chart setup where you can see 7 charts at a time on one screen and navigate with the hotkeys. So first of all, you want to set up the basic charts, the exponential moving averages. Just go over to our home page and click on this link. Okay, so here's the home forexearlywarning.com homepage. Just go to the free Forex trend indicators, click on that, and it gives you the instructions for setting up our basic chart setup, the free trend indicators. Here's what they look like. It's 2 moving averages, okay? And we show you step by step how to set those up. Okay, the next thing is to rearrange the pairs horizontally by individual currency. The individual currencies setups are going to look like this, to where you have one common currency in each group. So here's an example. Here's all the yen pairs grouped together. You can see that all the yen pairs are side by side, and you can put them on any time frame. Okay. And here is the USD pairs all grouped together. Any time frame you want, you can put them on the same time frame if you wish. And you scroll horizontally. You just click on each individual pair and you can look at the charts. But the key is to have it done by individual currency and have all 7 of them grouped together. You group all of the pairs together for 8 currencies, 7 pairs each. 7 pairs each for all of these different currency groups. 28 pairs total, 7 pairs in each group. So let's go over and look at some of the charts now. So on MetaTrader, what I did was I opened up a chart for the USD Canadian. I click on the plus sign. I'm going to click on the plus sign 2 times. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to my template. My template is already set up for the free trend indicators. So by clicking one button, I can get them to work and move over into my chart. So now I want to slide the USD Canadian over to the proper place. So I'm going to stick it over here with the USD pairs. Okay. And there you have there you have the USD Canadian right there. You click down on the symbol for the pair, and all you do is hold your left mouse down, left side of the mouse down, and slide it over, and now it's grouped with all of the USD pairs. So now I have all of the USD pairs grouped together. Over here I have all the yen pairs grouped together, and I transition through with the USD yen because it has the yen and the USD. So here's all my USD pairs, here's all my yen pairs, and then I start here with the euro pairs and I just continue on down the screen with more euro pairs, okay? So the USD pairs, yen pairs, euro pairs are all grouped together, and I group all of them together by individual currency, 7 charts at a time. All right, so how do you use this chart setup? Well, you wait for a price alert or a push alert. We send push alerts to your cell phone when the market is moving. You wait for a price alert or a price breakout to hit, and then let's say the USD pairs are all strong. Well, then you can navigate over to the USD pairs on any time frame, and you can check the signals on the Forex Heatmap to see what pairs are moving, if you have consistent signals, and then you can check the higher time frame and look for your price targets. So here's an example. If you go over to our blog, we have about 10 example trades to show you different signals and configurations. So in this case, the US dollar is pretty strong, but the Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar had weakness, so they really dropped very fast. So when you get a push alert on the USD pairs or the Aussie dollar pairs, you just go check the Forex heat map, and if you have consistent signals, then you can check the time frames to see if you're getting a good sell-off, and if you want to sell this pair, and you can use the bigger time frames to tell you whether the pair is trending, ranging, or inside of a cluster of support or resistance. So you have all these time frames. What's the role of the time frames? The role of the time frames is to use the smaller time frames and the Forex heat map to enter your trades with consistent signals, and you use the larger time frames to see if the pair is trending, ranging, choppy, inside of support or resistance levels. Sometimes you can get into an entry point on a pair that's trending, and you can ride the trend, let's say, for example, on the D1 time frame. So this is how you set up your charts to scroll horizontally, okay, across the screen. We also have one more chart set up, the most advanced chart setup. Okay, so our most advanced chart setup is using the MetaTrader profiles. You can have all of the New Zealand dollar pairs on one screen, or USD pairs, or yen pairs, or whatever you wish, different currencies. So you can see clearly that the New Zealand dollar is weak. If it's the cross currency, it's the pairs going up. It's the base currency, it's going down. So when you get a push alert to your cell phone that says the New Zealand dollar is weak, you can set up your charts this way. We invite everybody to set up the charts different ways, including this way, and make darn sure you understand how to navigate. You can navigate 7 charts at a time across individual currencies on any time frame. So once again, we have the basic chart setup, basic exponential moving averages. Then you can reset them horizontally across the screen on MetaTrader just by clicking and dragging. And then you can also group them together by individual currency, 7 charts at a time. And we invite all traders to check out our other videos. Make sure you understand all facets of how to set up the charts by individual currency, and then pick the chart setup you like. We think you'll like all the chart setups, but you might have one that you favor or like a little bit more. So all the videos for setting up the charts are over here on the videos tab on forexearlywarning.com, and also in our YouTube library.